Okay, today we're going to finish the chapter and we're going to talk about spheres. There's two formulas for spheres. The first is for surface area. And up here you can see it. It's 4 pi r squared. So all we're going to do is pi r squared just like normal and then times 4. So on number 1 it would be 4 times pi times 11 squared. So 4 pi 11 squared. And I got 1,520.5, so 1,521 inches squared. I'm going to come down here and do number 2. If the diameter, because that line is going all the way across, is 25, that means that the radius is 12.5. So 4 times pi times the radius, which is 12.5 squared, gives me 1,963 inches squared. And then one more down here on the bottom, 4 times pi times the radius squared. So 4 times pi times 14 squared gives me 2,463. And then inches, or sorry, this one was centimeters. Look at that, centimeters squared, easy peasy. Okay, so then for volume. Okay, volume, the formula is 4 pi r cubed. Whoa, turned on my computer. 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. So if you are using a calculator like this, okay, let me write it out first. So 4 pi 11 to the third divided by 3. So if your calculator looks like mine, 4 pi 11, okay, then we're going to hit this little button right here. It looks like a little up arrow. That is going to raise it, to the third power, okay, and then we're going to do divided by 3. And I got 5,575 inches cubed. I'm just going to type it in again. 4 pi 11 to the third divided by 3. Yeah, 5,575 inches cubed. Okay, if you do not have a calculator like this, all I can say is that you might need to Google. I would show you, I don't have another calculator with me here at my house, but if you Google and like exponent and then your calculator model, okay, it will work. We can also think about, what does raising something to the third power mean? It means that it's times itself 3 times. So very worst case scenario, you could type in 4 times pi times 11 to the third. So that's 11 times 11 times 11, and then divided by 3. And we get the same answer. So if you cannot find the exponent key, don't freak out. Don't spend a bunch of time looking. I will show you when we get back. But what you can do is just use it as a factor 3 times. Okay, number 2. So we're going to type in 4 times pi times the radius to the third power divided by 3. Okay, because that is the formula. Up at the top, 4 pi radius cubed divided by 3. So 4 times pi times the radius to the third power, okay, or 12.5 times 12.5 times 12.5, and then divided by 3, and I got 8,181 meters cubed, and it's cubed because it's volume. Okay, and then this last one, 4 pi 14 to the third divided by 3. So 4 times pi times, and then again, I'm going to show you, if you don't know where the exponent key is on your calculator, 14 times 14 times 14. This is what 14 to the third means, and then divided by 3. So 11,494 centimeters cubed. There you go. So again, the two formulas are at the top. 4 pi r squared for surface area, 4 pi r cubed over 3 is the same as divide by 3 is what we're going to do for volume.